little bit tipsy. And then I'm so mad at myself because I had my camera tilted up because I was recording the try-on last week and I forgot to tilt my camera back down. Girl.
Don't find nobody better than I, who better than Kai. Rhetorical, don't need no reply, nah. I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter, best of both worlds.
Hi guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a video, which is absolutely every week, 3 times a week to be exact, Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. And don't give this video a thumbs up because it's just gonna be that lit. We can sit on and pop and we keep it rocking. We ain't stopping. So you guys know I cut off my hair how many months ago? Like, it was a couple months ago. We'll just insert a picture. I cut my hair off like this here a couple months ago. But since I cut my hair off from then, you guys, I don't know if it was chemically burned, which I don't think it was chemically burned because like I had completely, like, it was shade, it was off. So I don't think it was chemically burned, but I had started developing like patches of bald spot in my hair. So after all of that, I couldn't wear my hair out anymore because patches of bald spots started forming all over my head. And let me just go on and get into what this video is about. So when my hair started like developing those patches of bald spots, I started stressing more, and the bald spots started getting bigger and bigger. It started off as like a little small patch in the beginning, but once I started stressing at the fact that my hair was like, the bald spots were like getting bigger and bigger, it got bigger. So I really think that it was due to stress. I don't know, and folks constantly keep asking me what you're stressing about, and I don't know. I honestly don't. I don't have like a direct answer. The only thing that I think that I could be stressing about is my career and what I'm trying to do with this YouTube thing. I honestly don't know what else could be causing me to stress, or the fact that I'm trying to I've been like going real hard on working out. That is like those are the only two like big things that I've been worried about so much, like this, like my career and my weight. Those are the only 2 things that I literally have been worried about. Like, seriously. So I don't know if that stressing about those 2 factors are the reason that my hair started like coming out, but I don't know. So the reason I'm making this video is because a couple weeks ago, because the patches had gotten so bad, I decided that I was just going to shave my hair completely bald. Yes, I shaved my hair completely bald. And it took me a while to do so because I didn't know if I really wanted to do that, because my hair, a lot of women just feel like their hair makes them who they are. And I used to be that type of girl. I used to be that type of girl that felt like without my hair, I was nothing. So I don't know what came over me, but one night I was just sitting up and I was watching YouTube, and I was constantly just seeing videos about girls cutting their hair, but they weren't like cutting it bald. They were like doing like a taper cut. Like I didn't do a taper cut, but when I had cut my hair right, like real low, that's what I was seeing. But then I came across a video where this girl was like talking about how her hair was so damaged, and the last time she had went to she went to a beautician or something, and she got some braids or something. It just broke her hair off even worse, and she just had a revelation where she just shaved all of her hair off completely bald. That night, I promise you guys, something clicked in my head. Like instantly, it was like, Kai, you need to cut your hair. You need to like completely shave your hair bald. So I went in, I got up, I went in the bathroom, and this happened. I do not know the struggle that I have been having with my hair. I am so stressed out. I don't know. I don't know what is causing my hair to just, y'all see I got bald spots growing all in my hair. And I just can't do it no more. So I'm gonna just shave my hair completely bald. And you guys are about to witness me shaving my hair completely bald. I wanted Kevin to do it, but I don't think he was brave enough to do it. So I'm gonna do it myself. It's my Oh my God. Wow. Wow. I did it. I might let him go back around it to get it completely bald. Cause y'all can see like that nerve spot right there. I don't know what's going on with my head. Yes. That happened. I shaved my hair completely bald. I wanted Kevin to shave my hair for me, as I mentioned in that video, but I think he was just scared because he probably, I don't know, he just didn't want to do it because he just, I don't know. But I've always been the type of person that felt like, you know, I'm not doing anything for the next person to like. I'm doing it for Kyreeka. So it doesn't really matter what you think or how you feel about what I'm doing, because if it makes me happy, then I'm fine with it. You know, I didn't even tell my mama that I had shaved my hair. So this would be her like first time knowing that my hair was completely shaved bald. Mama, I shaved my hair bald. I didn't even tell my cousin, and my cousin is my best friend, Kiki. I shaved my hair bald. So, you know, now they know. But and I told my best friend Dexter today that I had shaved my hair completely bald. But now Dex, you can see that I literally shaved it bald. But now that I have shaved it bald, the patches, the little areas that were, you know, that had gotten so bad, they looked like they were just getting worse and worse, it's growing back with like, it's growing back. It's not as bad as it was, but it's still not the same. And then the edges of my hair is just like, it's still like scarce. I don't know. I honestly don't know what is going on with my head. I don't know why I'm stressing. I don't know what's making me stress, but whatever it is causing my nerves are bad, and it's causing my hair to, it's causing an effect on my hair, taking an effect on my hair. So I know I'm gonna have to end up eventually going to a dermatologist just to know exactly what is going on, because, you know, it's not going to get better if I don't have someone to like literally look at it and tell me like what I need to do. But I have bought the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops, and I'm gonna give that a chance. My first time using it was tonight. It just came in the mail today, so I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna see what it does, if it helps me. And if it does, if it helps me, then I'm still gonna go to the dermatologist just to, you know, get an expert opinion on what it could be, or what it, you know, what might have been taking effect, because I might have alopecia. I don't know. Y'all just come in the comment section on what form of alopecia it may be, because it may not be like full-blown alopecia where everything is like bald, because y'all can see like some people that have alopecia, their eyebrows be bald, head bald, like everything bald. But you guys see I have eyebrows, so it might just be a form of alopecia. I don't know, but we will find out when I go to the dermatologist, and we're gonna see how the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops do for me. But yes, I shaved my hair like I don't even think it's been like a full month. It probably been like 3, or it probably be like a month ago now. Maybe a month ago. Let me look at my phone at the video or the date that I did the video. Okay, November 13th. Like, so yesterday was like a full month that it was like when I did it. So it was a full month yesterday. So, and it's growing back. I would show you guys, but I'm not gonna take my wig off. I'm not about to take my wig off on camera. We're not about to do that and be looking a hot busted tail mess. Maybe in another video where I have my makeup on, I don't know, but not right now. So yeah, I will, you know, I'm going to insert the clips of when I shave my hair off, and I'm going to show you guys my reaction to like when it fully like processed that I had done it, and I was like, oh my gosh, Kai, no turning back. Now the girl has to wear a freaking wig every day, all day, and this thing gets hot. Oh my gosh, wigs get so freaking hot. So you guys know I do the episodes with the wig hauls. I'm gonna have to constantly keep doing those. We ain't got no hair. I'm gonna give me a good wig, man. I'm gonna give me a human hair wig, man. I got some hair over there. I just haven't had time to go to my beautician to let her make that wig for me. I'm gonna find some time to go let her make me like a good wig, because I want a human hair wig. I want to give me like 3 human hair wigs in styles that I really want. I want me a braided hair wig, but I don't know. Yeah, but yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys on the fact that I literally had to shave my hair off completely, like skin bald. Skin bald, but it's not skin bald anymore. Like the hair, let me put it, I'll show you guys that it's growing back as you can see. So yeah, so it's growing back. It's just short. It's like I got a little low fade. So yeah, I had to update you guys. Comment in the comment section what you think. Like, if you can't believe it, I can't believe it myself, but I did it, and I can't take it back because it's already done. The only thing I can do is wear a wig, and that's what I be doing. I be wearing a wig every day, unless some days where I'm just like too hot, I just throw a turban on my head and go. Because girl, some days I just be too hot and I just can't. That's that. So yeah, that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.